Welcome to Timelock Documentation Inspection and Commissioning Pro, the easiest way to securely document your mechanical, electrical, and plumbing inspections. If you haven't set up your teams, or your team members haven't downloaded the app, be sure to watch our Permission Levels in Teams video and the Inspection and Commissioning Pro mobile app video. The first time you use the web dashboard, you'll need to create a project. Click Projects on the left side, then click the Add Edit button. Give your project a name, then tap Add. If you'd like to sync the project with an Autodesk account, click OK at the prompt and log into their system. Once your project folder appears in the list, click to select it. At this point, you'll need to add an inspection location. Click an empty location slot, then click Add Edit and name the location. If you'd like, you can add stakeholder or client emails to the locations at this point. Just type them in the lower box, and any documents you create in the project will be emailed out automatically. Be sure to hit Enter between each address. When you're ready, click Add. Now you're ready to fill out an inspection certification for that location. Click the location you just created, then click the next open space in the certification column. Now, click on the Add Edit button. Edit the title of the document to fit your current inspection needs. You can easily create mechanical, electrical, plumbing rough-in, or any other inspection document type from this screen. Fill in the details and be sure to add a system type. You can use the comment box to add inspection details. Choose a certification type in the Code Requirements tag dropdown. The app supports a variety of mechanical and plumbing codes. If the inspection was successful, click to turn the Passed toggle green. To record a failed inspection, leave the toggle in the default position. It'll stay gray. You can insert specific code requirements into the record using the Requirement dropdown at the very bottom of the page. Click the Page Code link to open the relevant new section of the codebook in a new tab. Once you've chosen the service type and the code you need, and selected it, it will be instantly inserted into the document. Once inspections have been modified in the field using the app, you can see photos and signatures in the dashboard. Just click the links at the bottom of the page. You can even view the full emailed certifications in the Emailed Certs column on the left side of the dashboard. These documents open in a separate tab for easy viewing and downloading. All items, from project folders to certifications, can be locked to prevent editing or hidden from app users. Simply select the item you want to lock or hide and click the appropriate button. You'll be able to see which items are locked or hidden using the icons that appear next to their names in the dashboard. And Timelock documentation syncs data instantly across web, iOS, and Android platforms. And you can easily download everything right from your dashboard. With our dashboard and the Inspection and Commissioning Pro application, you can create professional, secure visual inspection records and track inspections in progress or push new inspections to the field in real time without digging through codebooks or spec sheets. To learn more, visit Timelockdocs.com today.